To change the vibration pattern of your sleep mode wake up alarm on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap sleep, tap turn on automatically, and then tap the current schedule. Scroll down the screen, tap vibration, and then select the desired vibration pattern you like to use for the wake up alarm. Tap the back key, tap save button to save your selection, and then tap done button to save the change. By doing this, now your phone will vibrate with the selected pattern when the sleep mode wake up alarm rings. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.